Imagine a journey to overcome addiction. It begins with a simple step: recognition. Acknowledge the presence of addiction. It's a crucial first move. But remember, you're not alone in this fight. Reach out, seek support from those who care about you, or turn to professionals trained to guide you through this path. Now, replace those unhealthy habits. Find activities that spark joy, that ignite passion. Let these positive pursuits fill your time, your thoughts, your life. Next, surround yourself with positivity. A supportive community can be a powerful ally. They'll help you weather the storm and celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Set achievable goals. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory, a triumph over addiction. And lastly, be gentle with yourself. It's okay to ask for help. It's okay to take it one day at a time. Your journey, your path to recovery, begins now. Remember, every step forward counts.